Hi guys, today we'll talk about the best investment banking course in Agra. In this video, we will talk about investment banker's salary, demand in the market, and what you can expect after becoming an investment banker. Myself Arushika, your career coach. Let's get started. Before moving ahead, I want to tell you कि अगर आप एक best investment banking course search कर रहे हो, तो to make it easier, I've added a link to the best investment banking course in the description. Do check it out. Now, what is investment banking? Investment banking is a field of finance that helps company raise capital, manage mergers and acquisitions, and make large financial transactions. Investment bankers work with corporates, startups, and government organizations to raise funds through equity and debt, prepare valuation models, analyze financial statements, and structure high-value deals. In simple words, an investment banker helps companies grow by arranging funds and managing major financial deals. The demand for a skilled investment banker is very high. Big corporates, financial institutions, consulting firms, and global banks are always looking for professionals who understand valuation, financial modeling, merger and acquisition, and capital markets. If anyone is looking to build a career in this field, then he or she can expect 6 LPA to 10 LPA as a fresher, 12 LPA to 25 LPA at mid-level experience, and 30 LPA to 70 plus LPA after 7 plus years of experience. With the right skills at financial modeling, valuation, merger and acquisition, advanced Excel and capital markets, you can build a very strong and high-paying career in this field. So as per my experience, it's really good to go course. If you're serious about building a premium career in finance, now I hope that you liked watching this video. Do like, comment and share. And don't forget to check out the link to the best investment banking course available in your city. Thank you.